Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop spam calls on Android. So there is two ways to stop spam calls. First one, go for your phone app, tap on three dot option, go for settings, and now you can see in the first option you have this caller ID and spam. You have to turn on these two slider, then you can able to stop spam callers. Another way, you can try third-party app to stop spam caller. So go for Play Store on your device, then search for Truecaller. This is the app. So you can install this Truecaller application and stop the spam calls. So this is a very effective app. You can install it and use it. So yeah, that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.